Hi, my name's Danny Charlton, and I live in North Sulawesi. I have a resort called Lembe Resort and a dive center called Critters at Lembe. I've been living there for over 12 years with my wife and family. Lembe Strait is known as the world's capital of muck diving. And what muck diving means is that the visibility is not so good, but you're going after very unusual and strange animals, like a hairy frogfish or a flamboyant cuttlefish, and it's usually in black sandy bottoms. So it's a different type of diving. It's a more cerebral type of diving. And scientists believe actually that Lembe Strait, which is only 15 miles long by a mile wide, has the highest concentration of unusual sea creatures found anywhere else on the planet.
Could you tell us about your favorite dive places in Lembe, the best favorite dive place?
Well, there's over 40 dive sites, and probably 15 of them we would classify as a diamond site. Quite frankly, I'm more partial to night dives. I love night dives. So our house reef is great for a night dive. Nudie Falls is fantastic for a night dive. What's special about Nudie Falls is very often we could see the starry night octopus at night, which is a beautiful orange octopus crawling up and down the reef. There's a dive site called Air Prang at night, which we can normally find the bobbit worm. I love Nudie Falls during the day as well. Also Angel's Window and TK, and there's a Rex in Lembe Strait, so there's a lot of great dives. To pick one, I don't know. That's a tough question.
It's hard to
Yeah, sure. So Lembe Resort has 16 bungalows. It's set within the topography of the land real nice, so it's set in an alcove. The owner also has a side business as a horticulturalist, so the tropical gardens are amazing. We're actually the only resort in North Sulawesi, dive resort in North Sulawesi, that has a full-time on-site photo and video pro. And if you go to our website, every Friday we load another 2.5 minute highlight of what we're seeing in Lembe Strait. We also have a marine biologist, and we have 11 dive guides. And the dive guides are all local, but they're very well versed in the marine biology and what you're going to see. They use underwater slates to show you what, to write down what you're going to see for each site. And we've got a great camera room, and our boats are spacious, comfortable. And what's also great about Lembe is most of the dive sites are 5 to 10 minutes away from the resort, some even shorter. Zapraszam wszystkich na najlepszy Nokovia do Lembe Resort dan Critters at Lembe. Oh, I said it in Indonesian.